I'm working on a collab for tomorrow, and a delivery man just showed up. So let's open it and see what I got. It's like, wait, stop, wait. Christmas has arrived.
But wait, there's more.
Let's see. Yeah, I can cut it. I always try to be careful. I have not cut doll's hair doing this sort of thing, but I know people who have. Oh, looky, looky, looky. It does not say who it's from. It is a Hershey's Kisses Advent Calendar from, wait, there's more in here. I think I know who it's from. I told Darren, and I was right. Just a little something that I hope will make you smile. Love, Jay, from Jacqueline Jeffs. Jay Dolls UK. God, Jay is exactly like you see her on her channel. I have known her for years. She is the sweetest. She's as sweet as these chocolate kisses. Jay, I cannot thank you enough. I will share this with Darren. How sweet of you. Kisses back to you too, Jay. I really appreciate it.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.